Fold one light pink pipe cleaner in half. Leave about 2.5 centimeters on one side and 1 centimeter on the other. Then cross and twist tightly to secure. Take half of a light pink pipe cleaner and wrap it once around the base to secure. Form a small loop and twist tightly to hold the shape. Adjust it into an upside-down heart shape. Take a new light pink pipe cleaner and wrap it around to fill the shape. Curve the center of the petal slightly inward and bend the edges outward. Then shape the entire petal into a cup-like form. Trim the tip into a point. Take one light yellow pipe cleaner and bend it at the 8 centimeters mark. Leave about 1 centimeter on the short end and twist tightly to secure. Wrap the long end upward once to secure it. Take half of a light pink pipe cleaner and wrap it around the lower half of the flower center. Insert the flower center into the middle of the petal. Take a flower stem and use elastic string to secure the flower to the top of the stem. Wrap the entire stem completely with light green floral tape.